My name is Jason MacDonald. I'm the Senior Director of Production Operations here at Native Roots, and I've been here since 2015.
What role does lighting play in your operations? And when you're evaluating lighting systems, what do you look out for?
Without these lights, these plants wouldn't grow, and it's incredibly important for us to make sure that the lights we're using really work with our cultivars. So what goes into it is a lot of R&D testing. We'll look into what's out there and what's exciting, what we think can save us some power, but also increase yields and quality. And then we'll test them for a long time. We'll put these lights in for 2-3 cycles before we make a big decision, like we have with some of the LED lights we put in here. Some of these we tested 18 months before we decided to pull the trigger across the whole building.
Is there a reason why you're so rigorous about testing?
It's a pricey crop, and we have a multi-million-dollar building here, so any loss in production or any major investment that doesn't really work well could make or break our facility and our company. So we want to make sure that the decisions we're making are well thought out and well played out too. You can put a light in one building that doesn't work very well, and in another building, in another environment, it works incredibly well. So we want to make sure that we're using equipment that works for our space.
When you're evaluating lighting system, aside from the technical capabilities, what else do you look for?
One thing that's important to us is vetting a company that we think will be around for a while. We don't want to put in 2,000 lights and then find out 3 years from now we can't get any replacement parts, we can't, get any service just because the company is no longer in existence. And looking for a company that has good customer service, reliability, and longevity is important to us as well. When it comes down to the actual hardware of the light, how long is the warranty? How long do we expect this spectrum to last where we want it? Replacing bulbs every single year is a real pain in the butt, especially when you have a perpetual garden that you can't really move out of the way.
Every second that's not up is loss in profits,
exactly.
Right?
One thing we love about LEDs is we're not replacing these every year, that we know they'll last for quite a bit of time and probably longer than we expect.